Yesterday had been a fabulous day. Beautiful weather, amazing people, and wonderful entertainment still in my ears.
There's a warning what's coming. Talk about lonely, wide open spaces. Low. The hill is getting closer.
Today just might have been the most difficult day of cycling I have experienced. I don't know why. I've ridden routes with more climbing that are hotter and longer. Maybe it was the elevation, maybe the lack of conditioning, just having finished chemo over 2 months ago and being the flatlander that I am. Toward the end of the day, the sun had taken everything out of me. Nothing quite like trying to replenish fluids from a water bottle holding at 90 degrees. I was ready to throw my bike in the ditch, call a sag, and go home. Of course, I didn't.
I'm at the start of this thing. I don't know why I'm smiling. In my second lowest gear, going 5 miles an hour, sucking air. I don't know. I think there's walking in my future. I guess this is what I came for. There it goes. All right, I'm in my lowest gear. 8% grade, probably going about 4 miles an hour. It's gonna get worse. I'm gonna be walking before you know it. Nine 9% grade. I'm still pedaling, but barely. I'm sure the view is great behind me. Don't have the energy to look at it. Just brutal. How's it going? No words. Yep, I'm off the bike. Just trying to catch my breath. Still 9% grade. Feels like it's more. Grinding his way up. Holy smokes. Mash, mash. No words.
Nope.
Nope. And there's more. Are we having fun yet?
Hey, we paid for this fun even.
Yay!
Yes.
Do you have any words? None.
This is the greatest thing I've ever done.
Liar. Are we having fun?
Sure.
Short and sweet. No, long and hard. Are we having fun?
Are we having any fun?
Do you have any words?
Feel good. Feel real good.
You go.
Ah, what a beautiful walk I just had.
Almost there.
I know.
I'm lying.
No.
New strategy for climbing unbearable hills. Just stop. Take a breather. Watch all the other suffering people go up. Catch your breath. Start again. That was a 2-stop hill. Not bad. And now I think I'm at the top. Woo! And here's the reward. 5 miles of downhill. Awesome. I don't know if it equals the 9% grade that we did to begin with, but I'll take it. And a good view too. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Here we go.
The view continued as it got hotter and hotter and hotter.
You know that up there in the mountains it's cold or cool. Here it's just bloody hot. Barren, barren. Dry. It has been just so hot in the sun.
Ultimately, the ride ended. The day cooled into night, and the memory of the brutality of the sun and heat faded. Tomorrow would be another day.